today's episode of Python Papi. We're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, today we finished up our Web3Py favorite setup module. So let's dive right into what we went over. And it was a pretty short module, so we didn't go over much. We just went over setting up the module to get it ready for our project that we're going to be building inside of it. So a note CD just means that we are going to change the directory that we are in, hence the initial CD. Now we can run the code or run the command code dots inside our WSL terminal if we install that feature, and it will open a new window putting us inside our Web3Py favorites cool file automatically, which we already done like I showed you yesterday. Now since this is a brand new folder, we don't have any files inside it, which is false because I showed you that we already have everything already up to speed. I didn't want to go over through this process, so everything is up to speed. Also, at this point, we should have UV installed, and we can check what version we have by running the command in our WSL, the UV version. This should tell us what version of UV we have installed. I'm going to do that when I'm done reading. This should let us know the version of UV we are running. If we have it installed, which we do, it is important to have UV installed because we will be using a lot moving forward. The first thing we would do is run this command in our terminal, UV init, and this will give us all the files that we need to actually get up and going. So let's go right over here to our file now. Same one from yesterday. I'm not going to do the UV init because we already have all of the files established, and I don't want to run it again and possibly wipe everything that we have out. So I'll just run the UV version and show you what that looks like. But so we can see what kind of version we're running. So it'll go with UV version. Whenever it populates in the field here, we can go ahead and run it, and I can show you exactly what it looks like. Again, I'm sorry for the lag. It's a bunch going on, and I don't even know why I just did that. Okay, here we go. So let's get and run it. And you can see we're running the 0.7.3 version of UV right here. It populated pretty quickly after everything got up and running. And when we do the UV init, it opens up a bunch of files for us here. This is everything we get with the UV init. It populates all of these files automatically for us. These are files that we don't have to bring over ourselves. When we run the command UV init inside of our terminal here, all of these get populated and they're already filled out for us, and they already have all the information we need to move forward. So yeah, that's that. And so that's the end of the setup module. Tomorrow we're starting a new module. Let's go back over and have a look at what that is. It's going to be the favorites project Viper VS Code extension. I know it sounds like a lot, but we'll go over tomorrow and see exactly what's going on with that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.